I am a believer in the perfectibility of human beings. At the circle, we can finally realize our potential. When we are our best selves, there isn't a problem that we cannot solve. We can cure any disease and we can end hunger. Imagine the human rights implications. The possibilities are endless.
Your payment, it was for $78.13 and the bill was for $78.31. Thank you.
You got the job at the circle.
Have a drink, have a good time, and stay excited. You're at the circle.
Hello, Mae. How are you?
Jared here. I'll be doing your training.
When I first started, it took me a few weeks to really get the hang of it. Believe me, you're doing fine.
You should come visit me at work sometime.
You might think I was there to clean the toilets. Everyone really likes you.
Your work's been exemplary, strong ratings, but your absence at several events.
Sorry, my dad had an episode and I was home helping out.
Is that related to his MS?
I've been looking into your parents' situation, and I have an idea. So I was thinking it would make sense for Mae's folks to come on the Circle Health Plan.
I want to say how much I value what you've done for my family.
Mae, you're a valued part of the circle. We care about everybody you care about. Mae's only been with us for a few months, but she has made quite an impression. So, Mae, do you think you behave better or worse when you are being watched? We have cameras in place all over the world right now.
We used to go on adventures, we used to have fun and see things, and now it's all filtered through this. Does this really seem okay to you?
I didn't create this. This is not what I had in mind. Things at the circle, they need to change. Everything recorded, seen, broadcast is stored and analyzed here. They can use it however they see fit, no matter what it's cost.
Knowing is good, but knowing everything is better. So, Mae, is there anything you want to tell us?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.